We are going to take a look at an Edgetech CTS740 16-inch countertop saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Edgetech CTS740 is beyond clean and well cared for. It also shows low usage. This is the bigger brother to the 730. Its 16-inch blade has a 1-inch arbor and is powered by a 5-horsepower Balder motor. The max cutting length at 90 degrees at 2 inches thick is 54 inches, while the max cutting length at 45 degrees at 2 inches thick is 38 inches. The max cutting height without bill down is 5 inches, while the max cutting height with bill down is 5 3/4 inches. There are 4 undermounted 1.5 horsepower routers for the draw bolts. There are also 4 pneumatic hold downs. This particular CTS740 has 3 major options that really expand its capabilities and ease of use. First, you have dual laser alignment. Second, you have 10-foot telescoping conveyors, which are a huge upgrade to simple rollers and extend support to 13-foot 6 inches left and right of the blade. Third, the saw is optioned with the variable miter with digital readout.